children, how are you? Today we will do from NCERT class 8 chapter 3 understanding quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means a four-sided figure, a figure which has four sides. Very familiar figure to you is this is a four-sided figure and this is a very familiar figure, it is a rectangle. Okay, so a four-sided figure, you know some other figures also. Here this is in which all these four sides are equal, it is a square. Also you know some more figures like this in which opposite sides are parallel but not equal. This is parallel to this and this is parallel to this and it is a parallelogram. You know, you are familiar with all these figures and all these are quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means a four-sided figure. Here we have this figure, this figure, this figure. They all are four-sided and closed figures in which we have four sides, four angles, and it has two diagonals like this. This rectangle has two diagonals. Similarly, this square has two diagonals, and similarly this parallelogram has two diagonals. Okay, all some more we will learn some more quadrilaterals also, and I have tried to explain all these quadrilaterals through the activity, and also we will learn properties of all these quadrilaterals. So first of all, which activity, which quadrilateral we are going to learn is made up of these two sides which I have taken equal and these other two sides which I have taken equal. Here I have used paper for explaining you about the properties of a quadrilateral. These two lengths are equal and these two pink stripes are of equal length. We will use this. First of all, what I will do, I have placed this one stripe here, okay, and this another stripe which is not of this length, it is different from this length, and I have placed it like this. That means they are not making a right angle. Then I have placed another length which is equal to this upper length like this here, and this stripe which is equal to this length I have placed here. The figure which is formed here, it is a parallelogram. The figure is formed is a parallelogram. As I have made these opposite sides equal, to make this clear that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So we will learn properties of parallelogram, and number one is opposite sides are equal and parallel. Number two, opposite angles. That means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. If we name this parallelogram like P, Q, R and S, that means and our property is saying that opposite angles are equal, which means angle P is equal to angle R and angle Q is equal to angle S. It means opposite angles are equal. They are not 90 degrees, they are not right angles, but the opposite angles are equal. Third property which we do, for that we make diagonals. I have used this stripe for making diagonals. Okay, diagonal means a vertex joining to the opposite vertex. That line segment is called the diagonal. That means if I take this length from P to R and I will cut this length which I have measured from here P to R, this is my one length, and the another length is Q to S. This whole length I am taking S. As you can see that these two diagonals are not equal in length. They are not equal in length. That means in a parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal in a parallelogram. So I will put this diagonal which is joining P and R. This is my one diagonal, and another diagonal is from Q to S. Q to S is my another diagonal which I will place here like this, and they are not equal in length. As you can see, I have tried to show you through an activity. So, and if they suppose the diagonals are crossing each other at a point O, so diagonals are not equal in length. This is another property. Diagonals are not equal in length, but diagonals cross each other, they intersect each other, and they bisect each other. That means diagonals bisect each other. What is the meaning bisect? Bisect means they cross each other and divide in equal lengths, which means this SQ is dividing PR in two equal parts, PO and RO. Similarly, PR dividing SQ in two equal parts, SO and QO. That means here we have PO equal to RO and SO equal to QO. Diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. So children, these are the properties of a parallelogram. We will discuss more quadrilaterals in another video. If you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.